ואז נתקדם?
כן.
שלי פה?
לא, כי זה קשרים, ואני לא אוהבת שזה משתפר.
כן, היה כאילו סרט מחמתי, אני אומר, ברגע שאני נוגעת בו, סליחה בחיים, כמו בובה.
Good morning, Europeans and other nations. My name is Jenny Abargin and I'm from the spokesman department of the IDF Army. This is my lovely assistant, Russian assistant, Jana. Jana, say hi.
Hi.
You want to tell us what are we doing here in the middle of Tel Aviv, in the middle of the white Bauhaus city?
Of course, we're the GRR team.
What's GRR?
G, giving heritage tours. R, revealing hidden conflict.
And R, reconstructing historic battles.
It's very important for us, for all the people that come to Tel Aviv, tourists, Jewish, not Jewish, doesn't matter for us, okay? We believe that everyone that come here need to see the heritage, the Zionism, the Judaism that belong to everything that exists in the stone, in the tree, in the flower, everywhere.
Not just going to the beach or eat hummus with the Arabs,
Which is okay.
But also to see the real Tel Aviv, the real Israel. And now, today, this morning, we are going to see one of the most beautiful hidden museums of Tel Aviv, the Old Settlement Museum.
Beautiful. Are you ready?
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 I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
She's so funny. See, the Jewish flower. A Jewish car.
Careful here.
A Jewish corridor.
Wow, so beautiful. So different.
The atmosphere has changed, definitely.
The atmosphere has changed. From the outside world to the inside world. From the Mediterranean, beautiful, sunlight, street to the inside. Very sad, very dark.
Yes, let's go. Homes. Good morning.
Good morning. Shalom.
It's real.
People here speak Hebrew.
Yes, this is the native language, but you can see the anti-Semitism is all around us.
Only we have the keys. Only we have the keys. Okay?
We got a special permission just for you.
Like what does it look like? Living room. The old Jewish living room.
That's right. Look at the carpet. Look at the walls.
Look at the table.
What are the stories that all these monuments tell us? And especially the sofa that Jana sits on. Jana is going to do a short act that she wrote. And this sofa is very, very important, very historic in the history of Israel state, from the beginning of the Israeli state. Are you ready? So let's see what Jana is going to tell us. Jana, the stage is yours. Jenny, you're going to say it.
Morning. I had such a good nap. I just watched TV, fell asleep. Oppa, wake up, and here I am. On my sofa. My beautiful blue sofa. I just love this sofa. Just a second. You don't know who I am. My name is Leah Rabin. Rabin. You know Rabin, right? My husband, they died a long time ago. Yitzhak Rabin and me, Leah Rabin, met in this sofa. You know who I got this sofa from? Moshe Dayan. That got this sofa from Ben Gurion. That got this sofa from Herzl. That got this sofa from Napoleon. This sofa went generation by generation by generation. It's like the Zionist will that they, you know. That's it. So we got married on this sofa. And I gave birth in the sofa. Okay?
You forgot to, thank you, Jana, for the show that you forgot to tell that Yitzhak Rabin, our Prime Minister, was killed in Rabin Square. Let's go.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I'm going to, you will tell them, okay?
Our next stop is the synagogue. Moti Montefiore gave all his money. He's Jewish. You know, Jewish people love to give. So he gave all his money and built this beautiful synagogue. You really can feel the holiness. Okay? Jenny, make a shortcut which I compose the music. Jenny, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Help me, Jews, help me. I'm the rabbi's wife. The synagogue burned down by Arabs. Help me, Jews, what can we do? Help me, what should we do? I'm the rabbi's wife. Help me, Jews, help me, Jews, help me.
Wow! That's beautiful! Thank you, so beautiful! I cried, you know, I cried.
Jana wrote the song and she composed it also. Thank you very much. Now we are here in this with this photos wall, photo exhibition, photos that Arik Sharon, our Prime Minister, our fat Prime Minister.
The sleep.
That's now he's in a winter sleep. Maybe he'll get awake in the summer. Who knows? Like a big bear. He took these photos in 1948 in the independent war, our war to the independence of the Jewish state in Palestine. The dream that we dreamed so many years. Look, it's all different angles of the Western Wall, the famous Western Wall from the temple, Holy Temple. You see? Now, if we are in 1948, we are going to reconstruct one of the famous battles that took place.
I'm getting ready.
That took place here. You come and you take. So, we're going to reconstruct this famous battle of Leah and Miriam in the 1948 war.
I'm Leah. She's Miriam.
Yeah, no,
She's Leah.
no, you're right. Because the continuity, she's Leah because she was Leah.
Yeah.
And I'm Miriam.
Yeah.
She's special. She's special.
Let's start.
This famous battle was here at the headquarters of the Jordanians in 1948 independent war. They gave their life, Leah and Miriam, to save this place. Let's reconstruct. One, two, go. Let me see you go.
Oh my God!
Come, my beautiful Leah. You see the Jordanians? You have to go to there. I know you have tuberculosis, but you have to go there.
I
Please.
think I got shot.
No, go.
Ow, my leg.
Go. I'm
my
behind you.
hand.
I'm behind you.
I'm sorry,
You
I
can
can't
do
see.
it. You can do it. Remember the Holocaust. Leah! I'm coming to die with you. It's very difficult with the I don't know how to do it. So, look at what more we are.
Where are we now?
In a kitchen.
Kitchen.
She loved the puzzles and the riddles. Kitchen, a Jewish kitchen. Look at this place.
Look at this place.
Look at the cabin. Look at this place. The attic.
Ooh.
The attic that came here from the kibbutz, Ma'agan Michael, where Anna Frank's cousin used to live in this. She said, she had a lot of money, but she said, I don't need a lot of people. I don't need a lot of space. I need this this is my space. I'm a very, very humble person. And she wanted to reconstruct the heritage of the family of Anna Frank. So she lived here, and she contributed to the museum. Now look at all the furniture.
Look at all the furniture.
It's so typical. You write to the history of the Jewish.
It looks like people used to live here and left yesterday.
Yes. The oven. Let's see the oven.
The oven is from the period of the occupation, the Muslim occupation, when we used to make makluba, okay?
The burekas, the famous Jewish, Bulgarian and Turkish delight is still warm here. They just left here. Let's ask ourselves, not really ask ourselves, but imagine ask ourselves, why did they left? Who made them left? And where are they now?
Where are they now?
Not in the museum, that's for sure. Do you want to see the big garden? The Jewish gardens of
The secret garden.
Of Monte Fiori.
Look at the beautiful garden. The birds are singing. It's like going to heaven, right? Look, listen. So sad that you can't smell it. Ah, I love this smell.
Now, I'm going to do a small act. Okay.
Jenny, gonna make you a small act.
You have to guess, who am I now? Whose kitchen is it? There is no people as the Palestinian people. The Jews from Africa and Arab states are not nice. I'm making coffee and I'm making a gefilte fish. I didn't know that the Egyptians are coming to fight with us. How should I know? Moshe Dayan didn't answer the telephones.
Wow!
Who wants gefilte? Ben Gurion, are you coming? Who am I?
Who are you?
Golda Meir, the Prime Minister,
Wow.
the head of the state. She had a big kitchen and all the important ministers came to the
No.
kitchen and ate her gefilte fish.
It's very good.
Thank you very much.
So now we come to the end of our beautiful trip,
Yes.
of our beautiful tour guide.
In this beautiful and very special museum, the Old Settlement Museum in Tel Aviv, in the Bauhaus, White City, Tel Aviv. That I don't think if you were going, if you knew people who were going to Tel Aviv, no one heard about this museum, because as we say in the beginning, everyone is going to the beach.
Let's see.
Or
But
to
it's okay.
It's okay. That's why we are here to tell the true story of Tel Aviv, of Zionism, of Israel, of the Jewish people.
Every journey needs to come to its end. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you, Jana. We are
Girls in Arms. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hope this real soon.
יואו, מה זה קשה לאנגלית? יואו.
חבל על הזמן, but it was good, you know?
Yes, but it's difficult. The English, I get crazy, yo.
Yo, I want to...
Because Hebrew is my language. What?
I have to cut it off, you know?
It's a costume?
What did you think? It's me?
I thought it's you.
No, not really,
Because
no.
with me it's not a costume. I have to go to the toilet.
Bye, Shirley.
Bye, Marie.